how you can earn $1,000 per day with Clickbank affiliate marketing using paid traffic, like for example Facebook ads or Google ads in this case. So as you can see over here, right, we are making consistent, as you can see over here, right, in euros, of course, 119 euros, 118 euros, 200 euros. So basically over 1,000 euros, which is over $1,300 per day with affiliate marketing, promoting high quality products. Now, how you can do this? Okay, so as you're watching this video, in this short, less than 10 minutes video, I'm going to review to you exactly, so you can discover how you can go step by step from zero to hero to basically having your first $1,000 a day in profit with affiliate marketing. So let's go straight into it. As you can see over here on my screen, right, I collect leads. Now, what are the leads? Leads are human beings like me and you, right? Those are people who are interested in making money online, financial niche, solar panels, weight loss, keto diet. So basically different spaces. Now, why I'm building my email list, as you can see over here, right? In one day, almost 400 leads or 350 leads, let's say, right? So total leads collected 343 in one day. Now, if I collect it every day, I have over 3,000 people, right, who can see my email every single day and buy stuff that I promote as a marketer, right, as a Clickbank or MaxWeb affiliate. Now, very important thing is, right, because people don't buy on the first exposure. Yes, of course, you have people who are gonna see your Facebook ad or Google ad or YouTube ad and decide, okay, I want to buy this product now, right, on my phone. But some people, they don't have credit card next to them. They just save the ad and buy next time. So that's why it's very important to collect the name and email address so you can make passive income, right? Passive recurring commissions online with online marketing, with digital marketing, without having to be stressed about what the heck is going to happen, right? If tomorrow my ad account gets shut down, right? If I lose my ad account, what's going to happen? What the heck I'm going to do, right? So you don't have to be stressed about, because you have your email list on your plan B as a backup. Okay, now after watching this video, you can reach out to me on my Instagram. Okay, so you can see over here, right, this is my Instagram account. Yeah, you can reach out to me over here, right, and ask me any questions related to affiliate marketing, but only if you are serious. You do need to have, though, at least 1,000 to 5,000 US dollars to start with, and you cannot be excuse maker, right? You cannot be procrastinator or someone who is too scared or chicken about taking action, right? So that's very important thing if you really want to have results. I mean, right? You cannot procrastinate or be a bullshitter. So over here, right, how we are doing it, right? Now, again, this is for you if you are sick and tired of all the bullshit out there, all the BS, if you want to quit your 9-to-5 job, or if you want to do a side hustle, right? Still keep your job, of course, to have primary source of income, but have this idea to make extra $1,000 per day or $300 per day, right, as a beginner. Now, why I use Google Ads is because Google Ads, basically, we are looking for buyers, right? Buyers intent. So you want to have buyers who will come and see our ad and purchase and buy. We are not looking for quality only for the leads, but also for the quality leads, for quality people, quality audiences who are there with pain and problems, and they wanted a solution for their pain and problems, right? So we set up the Google Ads, we target them with the right keywords, and from there, you see, my friend, you can go and crash it, right? I mean, like, really, really crush it and have really, really good results. Now, you have two choices, of course. First choice, number one, is trial and error. Like, you can go and decide, okay, heck, I will not invest in any mentorship or coaching. I will just learn from free YouTube videos. Okay, you can try that, but it's going to take you a lot more money in the long run, a lot more time than you thought of, than if you actually had someone who been there and done that and could help you avoid all these speed bumps along the way to get better results, right? It makes sense, right? And also you can have an option which is last one, get results fast right now, by having someone who help you one-on-one, step by step, and hand holding you along the way to get those results that you desire, right? So that's a very important thing. Now why am I teaching this, right? The first thing is you always have to be a student. Everything is changing, especially during AI and every news things that are coming out in the world today. You have to always stay up to the date, right? Everything must stay up to the date, so you're always a student, like myself, right? You never stop learning. That's why I love to help other people. Now, the next thing is I learn and I also earn more, and because I love people, right? I can experience more. I can learn, okay, this campaign is doing well for you. I can apply it to myself. So of course we have both win-win situation here, and that's why I love to go on a Zoom call with you and set up these ad campaigns together with you. Now, who this is not for, right? If you're watching this video and you're thinking, okay, who this is not for is this. Number one, excuse makers. If you're a procrastinator, someone who keep waiting, who keep thinking everyone is a scam, or this is a scam, it won't work. No, this is not for you. You can just go away and unsubscribe. Now, if you're not willing to invest at least $1,000 to $5,000 or more, this is not for you. And of course, if you hate money, if you hate results, and if you hate helping your own family and yourself to move out of the poverty or not having good results and actually scaling something and get some serious results, right? We're not asking you for $1 million or $100,000 here, no. We're just saying $1,000 to $5,000, okay? If you're a business owner, you know, if you start a restaurant business, car repair shop, it will cost you at least $100,000 or $50,000 US upfront, okay? So affiliate marketing is something that can make you a lot of money if you're serious and if you have someone who will help you along the way, okay? Again, you have to be an action taker. Now, what you can do now, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? So you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can connect with me personally, one-on-one. You can call me on WhatsApp, text me, DM me on Facebook or on Instagram, right? Email me, and you can join my special private free email list, right? So I will share with you daily or weekly tips that work for me, for other people out there in affiliate marketing, and what you can do going further in 2023, what Clickbank products convert really well, or MaxWeb products, so you can make money online and earn passive income, okay? So thank you for watching this video, and do let me know, subscribe to my channel and connect with me one-on-one after watching.